Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your favorite travel expert, and we're back with another video. Ever feel like your checked luggage is playing a game of hide and seek with the airline? That pit in your stomach when the baggage carousel turns and turns, but your bag is nowhere in sight. Don't worry, fellow adventurers. We're about to unlock the secrets to keeping your bag safe and sound, no matter where your travels take you. Alright, first things first, let's talk suitcases. Think of your suitcase as your travel BFF. It needs to be tough, reliable, and stylish. Look for durable materials like polycarbonate or aluminum for hard-sided luggage. If you're more of a soft-sided suitcase kind of traveler, go for ballistic nylon. It's super tough and resists tears and abrasions. Next up, wheels. 4-spinner wheels are where it's at. They spin 360 degrees, making it easy to navigate those crowded airports and bumpy sidewalks. And don't forget about TSA-approved locks. These locks give you that extra layer of security and let those TSA agents do their thing without having to break your lock. Now, let's talk size. You don't want to be lugging around a suitcase that's bigger than you are, but you also don't want to be playing luggage Tetris every time you pack. Think about your typical travel needs. Do you pack light? Do you tend to overpack? Be honest with yourself and choose a size that's realistic. And finally, let's talk about style. Your suitcase is an extension of you, so pick one that reflects your personality. There are tons of cool colors, patterns, and designs out there. Don't be afraid to stand out from the crowd. Remember, your suitcase is your travel companion, so choose wisely, my friends. Invest in a good one, and it will last you for years of adventures to come. Now, let's talk camouflage. We're not talking about blending into the jungle here, but making your suitcase stand out from that sea of black bags circling the baggage carousel. First up, ditch the boring black suitcase. Bright colors, bold patterns, unique designs. That's your secret weapon. Think about it. When you're scanning that sea of luggage, what's going to catch your eye? A bright pink suitcase or another generic black one? Exactly. But hey, if you're committed to your black suitcase, no judgment here. We can work with that. Add some personality with colorful luggage tags, stickers from your travels, or even some bright duct tape. Make it yours. Make it unique. Make it impossible to miss. And here's a pro tip. Take a picture of your suitcase before you check it. If it does happen to go MIA, you'll have a clear photo to show the airline. Another thing, those fragile stickers, they don't actually guarantee anything. Instead, pack your valuables in your carry-on and use packing cubes to keep everything organized and protected inside your suitcase. And speaking of packing cubes, these things are a game changer. Not only do they keep your clothes organized, but they also compress your stuff so you can fit more in. Plus, they add an extra layer of protection to your belongings. Remember, your goal here is to make your suitcase easily identifiable. So, get creative, have some fun with it, and turn your luggage into a reflection of your unique travel style. Because let's be real, life's too short for boring luggage, right? Travel hacks for every traveler, from backpackers to business class. Now, let's tailor these tips to different travel styles. Whether you're a backpacker living out of a 40-liter pack or a business traveler rocking that sleek carry-on, we've got you covered. For my backpackers out there, minimizing weight is key. Choose a lightweight backpack with sturdy zippers and comfortable straps. And pack smart. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. It saves space and prevents wrinkles. If you're all about that carry-on life, make sure your bag meets the airline's size restrictions. Invest in a good quality, lightweight carry-on with plenty of compartments for organization. For my digital nomads, a laptop sleeve is a must-have. Protect your tech gear with a padded sleeve that fits snugly in your backpack or carry-on. And don't forget a portable charger. There's nothing worse than your phone dying mid-flight or while you're exploring a new city. And for those who like to travel in style, a stylish weekender bag is the way to go. Look for one made from high-quality materials like leather or canvas, with plenty of space for your essentials. No matter your travel style, always pack a small toiletry bag with essentials like toothpaste, toothbrush, hand sanitizer, and any medications you take. Keep it in your carry-on so you have it handy in case your checked luggage gets delayed. And here's a bonus tip for all my travelers. Always let your bank and credit card companies know about your travel plans. This helps prevent your cards from being flagged for suspicious activity. Remember, the key to stress-free travel is being prepared. So, there you have it, folks. By following these tips, you can travel with confidence, knowing your luggage is safe and sound. We talked about choosing the right suitcase, making it stand out from the crowd, and tailoring your packing strategy to your travel style. Now, go forth and explore the world, worry-free. Don't let lost luggage hold you back from experiencing all the amazing things this planet has to offer. And until next time, safe travels and happy adventures.